What's going on, Deal Sauce? Hey, Justin Tumanowski coming at you again. This time, we're going to go MLS low equity deals. How do I find low equity deals, Justin? Well, guys, I'm going to go to my backyard again. Of course, we're in New England. We can do anything we want here, of course. We can use the Polygon search here. And if we said, hey, I want to stay within, a couple hours of my central location, you can do this Polygon tool that I just did right here. Okay, and I'll make another video for that. But let's say we wanted to do on market in this general Polygon area. So I just threw you for a little curveball. Type in a state, type in a city, town, county, zip codes. Guys, we could do multiple states and cities, but for all intents and purposes here, we're going to go, we typed in New Hampshire. We did our custom search, so it's going to broaden that search range. All right, and we also put active listings. Do we want to do low equity? Do we want to use LOI Blaster or call agents based on maybe folks who need to sell and they have no equity? So we're here to help. All right. So we have a list here of 261 in this whole entire vicinity. Let's go into the search in the filter section here to fine tune it a little bit more and make sure we're capturing everything appropriately. So we are getting everything here but land. Cool. We are also going active. Awesome. And we want to make sure that we're going to go, all right, everything else on market there, yes. So everything on the left-hand side here is what we're going to end up searching for, condos, townhomes, all this. Low equity, active listings. Let's go back to our map. We have the 261, and you're going to see often is going to be in that, I think that 80-20 mark, so 80% loan to value is where you should probably really see those numbers fall. And don't forget, you can filter even more on this drop-down menu here. We have days on market. We can do auction date, bathroom, bedroom count, list price, we can go by days on market. We like that, right? We want to make sure with high days on market. This one, we have active. This is shown from 2019 in York, Maine. Might be an old stuck property. You can see we have the photos coming up. Wow, phenomenal, 261. So, guys, want to keep this short and sweet, low equity, on market, buy filtered, buy Polygon, doesn't matter. You heard it. This is the MLS axis. Really great data. Let's make sure we click on here. You guys wanted to get a hold of this person right here. Just want to make sure you all know. Agent information is by far some of the best data you're ever going to get inside of any of the platforms. We've been hearing phenomenal things about Deal Sauce's agent data. So make sure, look at right here. I just picked a random, we can call Katie Brooke, Katie's email, Katie's phone number, her brokerage, MLS number. Phenomenal. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.